Alright, we brought the core back, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and drill a hole so that we can make a lamp out of it. Okay? We're going to go ahead and change out our core bits. So we'll take this off here. And we're going to use a 1-inch diameter core bit. It'll be a hollow bit, similar to how the core came out. Okay, we're going to have to lower our table here. As you can see, I found my boots finally. So you don't want to walk around with the core dropping on your toes. They're just not too pleasant. Okay, we've got our bit in here now. So we'll go ahead and we'll put our piece of core in. Okay, and you see the core is almost as long as the bit is itself. And that. So, and also we're going to have to put in a little guard here for it. So put that in, we'll grease things up a little bit. The water's not too nice on the steel. Make the mechanism slide a little better. And basically we have to do this on each piece of core. We're going to have to do some centering on it. Crank her down. And let's pull it on down here and see how we're looking. Alright, we're going to have to adjust the vise just a bit. Send it back just a tad. Okay, now we're ready to get started. So we'll turn our water on as a lubricant. And we have to slowly guide that bit down on there. Wait till it catches. Over it, just kind of calm the water down just a bit. Alright, there we go. Now you can't put too much pressure on it, otherwise you're going to bend the shaft. It's going to cause you all kinds of problems. And you certainly don't want to lose the water. And we just continue on down, drilling this down like this.